February is significant to African Americans and generally blacks in diaspora. Want to know why? Keep watching. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 interesting facts about Black History Month with you. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. February is known as Black History Month and also as African American History Month, and was first officially recognized by the United States government in 1976. The month of February was chosen to coincide with the birthdays of Abraham Lincoln and Frederick Douglass, two prominent figures in the history of Black Americans. 2. The origin of Black History Month can be traced back to 1926, when historian Carter G. Woodson and the Association for the Study of Negro Life and History announced the second week of February to be Negro History Week. The week-long observance was later expanded to a month-long celebration in 1976. 3. Every year, the Association for the Study of African American Life and History chooses the theme for Black History Month. This year's theme is Black Resistance, specifically calling out the legacy of resistance through politics, the arts, society, and education. 4. Black History Month is celebrated not only in the United States, but also in Canada, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. In Canada, February is officially recognized as Black History Month. In the United Kingdom, it is celebrated in October, and in the Netherlands, it is celebrated in November. 5. Black History Month is an opportunity to celebrate the achievements and contributions of Black people throughout history, from inventors and scientists to activists and politicians. Black Americans have played a vital role in shaping the country. 6. Some notable figures celebrated during Black History Month include Martin Luther King Jr., who was a civil rights leader and a Baptist minister, and he played a key role in the American civil rights movement from the mid-1950s until his assassination in 1968. There is also Malcolm X, who was a human rights activist and a Muslim minister who advocated for Black nationalism and Pan-Africanism. Harriet Tubman, who was an abolitionist and political activist who helped to free slaves via the Underground Railroad. And there is Maya Angelou, who was an author, a poet, and a civil rights activist. 7. Many events and educational programs are held during Black History Month. These include film screenings, lectures, and exhibits. These events are often organized by community groups, schools, and cultural institutions, and are designed to educate and inform the public about the history and culture of Black Americans. 8. The importance of Black History Month is to acknowledge and honor the impact of Black Americans and to educate people of all races about the rich history and culture of the Black community. It is an opportunity for us to celebrate the diversity and contribution of African Americans and to recognize the ongoing struggle for civil rights and equality. 9. In addition to events and educational programs, many organizations and companies also take the opportunity to highlight and promote the work of Black artists, musicians, authors, and other creators during Black History Month. This is a chance to support and uplift the voices and talents of the Black community. 10. Black History Month is not only a time to reflect on the past, but also a time to look to the future and continue the fight for racial justice and equality. It is also a chance to recognize the ongoing and systemic racism that still exists in our society and to take action to combat it. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your family and friends, and if there is a special topic you'd like us to talk about, to let us know in the comment section and we will take it from there. If you are looking for affordable cleaning services in Rockville, United States, do connect with us in CleanerOnCall.com for your deep, thorough, and professional cleaning services.